Happy birthday, DJ.
From Jamaica to fucking Merrill Avenue.
Happy birthday, DJ.
You see this piece? You better talk like a fucking Jacksonville, you there. Yankee thing. I fuck with Trusty, big brother.
Yeah, what? This shit going on YouTube.
17 years.
Find it on YouTube.
Ah, see there?
Find it on YouTube.
They ain't over yet. Samba, Dread Beats, Mr. The Prince Sound Beat, all the Jamaican DJs. Well, we do this shit together. We do this shit together. One fuck love, one fucking love.
My youth right here. He support everybody.
That's
Every
a veteran. That's a veteran.
That you can't see.
Cause them Jamaicans don't give me no weed. I'ma fuck their ass.
Justice start the legacy. Justice start the legacy. Justice start the legacy. If it wasn't for justice, it won't be no
Street Mongrel. You see? Big up Jacksonville people. Yeah. Go on, man. Yeah, man. Big up the people there, man. 17 years people. I love them. That's what I say. Never give up. Want to do some more work with them. That's what I say. Yeah. Big up everybody who support the show, who push the show. Start out Ding Dong. You ready to get you? Eh? Well, they already see him enter. So Jacksonville, give it up. Am I ready? Street fighter in the building, you know. And the man I'm building himself in Jacksonville. So thank y'all for coming out. Jacksonville, we want to get ready for party. Party on fire. Give me the power.
Shoot to the side! We ain't got no stars, no more stars! Fucking now, we fucking have jazz, Give it up! Pull up, Jacksonville, Buckler! I like a party! Big up the woman, them, I love them! Straight from here! Big up Twitch and Kareem, Street Mongrel! Come on, Street Mongrel! Justice to play early road! We remind me of Passa. Come like a Passa me there! Say Street Mongrel. Before we sing the next time, more I walk and the people know why your name is Street Mongrel. People. And me mind my pin of them. The boy can't mind my pin of them. But mind me baby one of them too. Bumbuckler. I have some man that mind them friend and now mind them baby mother. Them look like Star, them baby mother look like Cruff, and them pin them look like Cruff. My pin them now are no stepfather. Fuck off stepfather. You must want somebody who have fuck my baby mother, but I can't understand. They must be mad. Because to all the man them are straight. Because when you come to Justice, they think we can go and Caribbean restaurant. And the baddest brown stew fish. And blood clot rice and peas. We even know the restaurant name. All the man them are straight. They must be like some pussy. They must talk about it. Straight. We have no pussy in a bump, but if you don't know where we are. Play the next one. Play the next one, Carrie. There was a Yalis. Street Mongrel a Yalis. Hey, Justice a Yalis. Kareem them a Yalis. Super Twitch them a Yalis. What around them a boss anywhere in the world. I'm Yalis. separation where I come from. I'm back to pick up in a dance and sell and buy food the next day. And climb Aki tree and pick Aki tree. And sell mango, bumbo club. Now suffer, I big up Father Boga, the greatest of all the face of there, and I say I represent dance until my death. See, some of the girls and enough people hate me in Jamaica, but you all them hate me. True clean and trendy. I'm a name now called for no wrong things. Karen Peter said one day, man, she from getting to dance still. Ray was a goddess, Justice a goddess, Justice a sing into the mercy. Super kids come a goddess, Karen come a goddess, Ray was clear was, yeah, we got it from the phone over here. Alright, Rolinda, we use the matches stick them and rewind. From them days, when Tony Mataran says, Super Twitch, bad no bitch. From the fully loaded them and them, some of them move your blood clot. Carry my, remember some come some man the holiday. I hear the Jamaican said, give me a come show my face. And I'm in the holiday, move them on the biggest song of the world. Big up the strength again, what the trust of it? Big up every dance and trust of it. And dance and kill me. And some girl knows say your pussy better than your mouth. Every time you see me, you see me come. Watch when you see me, you come. Every time you see me, you see me come. Mic up on mic. We have us come on them. I said to go, pick up, we the party come. We a party. I want people to know Jacksonville people and make that yo. Can I sing more a song and say drink liquor? People every day I drink liquor. I swear to God, I am obsessed with liquor. I am obsessed with drinking liquor and fucking pussy. I am obsessed with drinking liquor and fucking pussy. I am obsessed with drinking liquor and fucking pussy. All of the man them are obsessed with fucking pussy. Go so. Play it again. Mic up, every time you see me come. Watch when you see me. Mic up. Three of us come again. We say we the party come. We a party all night till the sun come up. Drinking apple and kill get to go. You see you the other so tight. Pull up and till the sun come up. We a party all night till the party come. 3 of us them dance in the party come. With a red, white, blue, how we party. so I can't DJ. Fuck on them. We can't let film. The people are signed DJ the work, but we know suffering. Someone I know about patches in. When we in a fall, we go out there and put some scandal over the wall. And patches in. Dry with the house. Some people from them and they never did go in and dry with the house. Yes. Yes. Some of them never got shopping, go buy big jar either, blood clot. And half pound of flour. Half pound of rice and them thing, and half stick of butter. And pound of chicken back. Some of them never buy that yet. Because the rest of them never know, so them plan, them color load, them IB jam, them something and them something and them something. See? But when they have a party, they can hear what? Just a bit. I'm happy for my life turn out. Bumbleclad, quarter, you see you look like you. You know about bread and butter. You know you're ghetto girl. Where you come from? Mommy, pick up everybody from Mommy and Negril, Clarendon, Galchester, Portmore, Tivoli Garden, West Kingston. Now you're the Sea View, Spanish Town, Waterhouse, Jungless, Rockford, Nannyville, Morganville. Feel this one. Nobody tell me say you. Nobody tell me say you. Nobody tell me say you. That's how deep you are. Nobody tell me say you. Nobody tell me say you. That's the unit. She's up there. Anchor here. Super fish. Wait a minute. Hey. She's up there. Look. Let's dance here. You come up and look class here. You're not going to play tonight. You know. Come on, dancer. You have look. Now you're not going to wear a silk here.
Shame the mongrel. And listen in. Ding dong, do the prayer night. Prayer night in the morning. Yeah. Look at Sean and talk right now. Justice. It's all about your birthday bash tonight. So that's it. Hey, ding dong, do the prayer night. Hey, walk up and do the prayer night. Walk up. King. Yeah, madam. Justice. It's all about your birthday bash. Look at Sean and response. You understand?
That's the all of the strong man. Big up Andrew Stein out of place. Yeah, the 16th. Yeah. The Angel, Macadam on the 16th, never ready. Yo, Nick Dan, turn it up, let them know what I'm going. Mongrel, what are you doing? Dance on it.
Long road away for this.
Pull up. Carry me, see a song, hold on, here we go. Can you see a dancer? A dancer wants a special party. Where next dancer there? Bumbleclad. Bring one girl come up on stage. Where next dancer there? Can you can't say everybody just dance by yourself? You have a dance with girl too. I know say everybody. Because everybody ever pass a DVD in the house. Bumbleclad, like a Ukumita. And the greatest singer ever played a Ukumita from Nagifar. Play Bumbleclad, you in?
I'm going away for this.
We have two video personnel, right? Video personnel. If one of them run go east with a girl, they follow. If one run go west with a girl, they follow. So you follow him and you follow him. Play now.
I'm going away for this.
You want to have a phone?
Let's go.
You're